Yes.
Please, you have to have your instruments cleansed from wax or old acrylic. Yes. Okay. Ready. Okay.
Necesitas que te traiga el otro dato que tiene para poner el líquido.
No, lo uso con esto. Puedes ir diciendo, agarro.
You grab a little bit of powder.
Okay.
And then, with your syringe.
And not here. Okay.
Here. You put drop by drop.
But no, pero no
not on
encima.
the top.
Aquí.
No.
Aquí
Yeah.
en el mango.
You just let it drop.
In the mango.
Okay, yes. So
Yes.
it wet. When you have it wet.
Okay.
Then-
Seca. And como limpiando.
It's like if you're cleaning the spatula, then you put it on the lobe. You
Okay.
do lobe by lobe.
Yes. And the Dr. Resin say we have to work with gravity, not with spatula. Because if you touch, you will make an angle,
Yes.
and the nostril is totally rounded. Okay, when the acrylic is coming, not shining,
When acrylic
opaque.
is opaque,
opaque.
Not shine anymore.
Okay, it's not yet.
you put
Yes,
it in
it's
the
shining.
water.
Yes,
Hot water.
warm. Not
Warm.
hot. Yes, it's warm. Creo que.
Eso está caliente, muy caliente. Más
Oh. Está súper caliente.
Ahora que lo
Ok,
pones ahí, seca.
yo
Se
creo
hace
que
rapidísimo.
aquí.
Cuidado.
Ok, aquí. Mix. A little bit. Vamos.
More to the first line. More.
Okay.
There.
Okay. Okay. Maybe 30 seconds. Okay. Un poquito más. Okay. It said, then gentle, dry, and we are going to do the second part.
Second part.
Okay, if your end is long, you can cut. Okay, yes, cut it. It's better you have this long, of course, than short. If it's short, you have
to add more acrylic.
you have to do it long. No, again.
Again.
Yes,
Bend it again.
yes. Okay. Clean. Okay. Again. Ok, otra vez, permita que las gotas sean
How long it should be? Depends on the nostril, right?
Yeah,
Aquí.
it depends. Wait.
aquí.
Look. Look, the drops, you just have to let the drop drop into the powder.
Ok, lo voy a poner así.
Now you put it upside down and do the cleaning of the spatula again. You see? From the top part. And then you let by gravity, you let the acrylic go down and move.
Si no es suficiente como ahorita, no es
And
suficiente.
right now it's not enough, then
No,
you do more.
necesito, porque este debería ser como una espuma. ¿Podrías ponerme unas gotas en el mango, por favor? En el mango. Ok, gracias.
It takes time and patience.
You can put your favorite song. Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
There you go. And you move it up and down, until you
And
have a
cover.
drop shape. Look.
Cubrir
Yeah, you have to cover your wire all over from the front, from the top and the bottom, like a thumb shape. And wait until it starts to get opaque. And when it's starting opaque, then you put it in the water. Oh, mira la sombra. Look at the shadow. There's the shadow. It's beautiful. Ay, déjame tomar una foto ahí. Teresita.
Dale. Ok, ya no se mueve más.
It's not moving anymore.
Ok. Ok.
And you put it in the water. Oh, it's fresh. Okay.
And that's it.
That's it, and then you do it again in the other side until you have a bean shape, the shape of a medium bean, small bean.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Got it?